So
or
starting
last dance, but
the
still.
whole thing over, we'll go like, we'll give it like 5 seconds for
Okay.
one to play. New game.
So what is that? 1-0?
Yeah.
Okay. By the way, the server always goes first. So that's 1-0. Okay, tied at 1. Okay, so 2-1.
Oh, yeah.
So what is it? 3-1 or no? Was it tied at 2? Okay, so tied at 2. Okay. So let's see. It's your serve now. So what is it? 3 to 2? Okay, so it's tied at 3. Huh? Wait, no, that doesn't count. You got out. So let's see. So that's 3 to 4. It's still your serve. So.
That was going out. I just shielded it.
Yeah, but you still hit it. If you don't hit it, let it go by. So I think that's like 5 to 3 or something.
I didn't hit that. It just hit me.
Yeah. So that's like 4 to 3. Oh! No, that's 4 to 5. Yes? Okay. Well, let's just play for a while and eventually we'll find out what the scores were. I'm going to... Wait a minute!
You hit it!
Yeah, but you hit it too! Yeah. Wait, hold on. We will now go to a short commercial break. We're back from our short commercial break. Yeah! Hold on, let's try double ball. Okay. That is so confusing.
Alright, ready?
Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching Table Tennis.